Jesus Christ. Floor's okay. How's it going? I'm here to pick up a single man lift under Alfred.
You have a truck to take the trailer with?
Yes.
You get it for 1 day?
1 day, if the project slows down, I'll take it for 2.
Got it, alright.
Drop site address. Oh man, I'd have to go grab that for you. It's West Side Table Tennis in Santa Monica.
Let me have the guys get you going real quick and then we'll take care of the payment. Let me just get it up there, get it loaded, okay?
Okay.
I want to go out there, I'll have one of the boys help you out.
Sure, thank you. Hey, do you guys rent or sell hitches?
We rent hitches.
Okay.
The only thing is, you call that the other location for this, right?
Yeah.
Call Frank over there?
Yeah.
We're trying to see, I don't know if we're gonna... He gave us order to put the thing on a trailer, one of these trailers. Those things are so damn heavy, there's no one we're gonna get it up with. It's either one of these trailers, but to get it up there, it's so heavy. I paid half, and it's so top heavy. It's so top heavy when you bring it down, if you don't do it properly, the thing may tip over.
800 some pounds?
Yeah. I mean, we can remove the battery pack here and take some pounds off of it.
Uh-huh.
But you're gonna have problems loading and unloading it.
I mean, it's not, I have another guy to help me, but...
You and another guy are not gonna do it. You're gonna need like 3 or 4 people to get it up there, brother. That's how it gets dropped. So pushing it up there and then bringing it down. When you guys try to bring it down, that thing's gonna take off in it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's not like it's got an automatic brake where you hit the brake and the thing stops.
Yeah, so it's, you recommend 3 to 4 guys for this?
Minimum.
So you're saying the best thing to do is delivery?
Oh, your best way?
Can you guys do it now?
Negative. It's gonna be... I'd have to go back inside the office and touch.
Yeah, I'm in a pinch, man. No, it's not hooked up.
If you want to try that, be faster if you want.
Okay.
Hook it up and I'll bring it to you right now, okay?
There's no other mount size?
Oh, this is small. First of all, this is standard.
Uh-huh.
So, sound like it might be dirty in here. If it's dirty, you got too much stuff in there, it won't go in there.
Good. Do you have one slightly smaller?
The hitch itself, or the which part needs to be smaller?
This part right here is
Oh, that part?
just
No,
barely though. It's just like barely not fitting.
They're all the same size, to be honest. You can try any of them, but try that one probably. But for the most part, they're all like a standard size.
Is this one too big?
You can try it. Yeah.
Okay, I'll go for this one first. See what happens. What if I just go pick one up at Home Depot?
Well, they're almost pretty much the same thing.
So I don't understand. Is it just is it bent?
Your thing.
I know, but if it why would there just be a random holder? Like so is it bent or broken?
They're all different sizes. There's
Oh.
medium, small, large. So that one you have small right there. Small
Okay.
and this. That's what it is. So the problem is you have to go Home Depot so you get a small one.
Yeah, okay, so Home Depot would work.
You want to measure it? You want? That way you know more or less.
Yeah. So I'll have to run Home Depot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you don't have anything that fits, I have to run Home Depot and find a hitch.
Yeah, you have to try to Home Depot. That's all I have over there, bro.
How far are you going?
Santa Monica.
Don't you waste time? See if they deliver for you, bro. Because now if you might go, you might not even get one there. You might not have a hitch. You might waste your time.
You guys can't deliver it right now though.
Yeah, they're probably looking around 12, 1 o'clock until we get over there.
Yeah.
Because most likely,
So,
you're not find it, most likely.
Oh yeah, well it's not a waste of time if you guys can get there around 12, 1 o'clock. So basically what I'll do is I'll try to find the hitch. If I can't find the hitch, then it looks like you're delivering it.
Yeah, just try to let us know soon.
Yeah, I'll let you know within the hour. Home Depot is close, right?
Yeah.
Take me to Home Depot.
One option I found is the Home Depot on Foothill Boulevard in San Fernando. Does that one sound good?
Go ahead.
Next question, what's up with that?
Oh, I just vlog all day.
What does that mean?
It's just filming. I haven't, not yet, but
But just for like YouTube or
yeah, just for work and stuff. If the job ends up going well, yeah.
anything good? Anything good? I mean,
Sometimes, yeah, I get like 200K views, up to 200K views sometimes.
down. What's the best one you had so far? Woman or-
200,000.
But a woman or just work or what?
Work. It's all work. Yeah,
So what do you do?
everything, man.
No, no, like generally what your
DIY is my channel. Yeah.
No, no, like what kind of work you do?
Oh, this is for we're gonna install 10 LED lights, but it's up in a warehouse.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But I do everything, you know. So
Interesting.
build staircases. So.
Finally?
I didn't get up early enough today.
We never do. You're looking at 225.86 and deposit is 400. What kind of card do you want to use?
Capital. I'm gonna use this venture card.
Actually, let me see. All right, do me a favor. Right at the bottom for me. That's your copy, and then you're all set.
All right, man.
Right?
So the rule of thumb is if you shake it and it shakes the bed or the trailer, it's good, right?
Yeah.
I think I put enough straps. I'm gonna drive slow.
Good.
Yeah. Thanks for your help, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you. Take me to West Side Table Tennis.
No. All right, man. So it took me 2 hours to get this thing loaded up, and I was here at 6 or more than that. What time is it? Yeah, nearly 2 hours. Hold on.
One of those days.
Man,
Sorry, man.
it worked though. They're telling me I'm crazy, but what can I do? So the battery pack weighs 100 something change, so that helps if we take it off, which we did already. And then yeah, they said that good luck trying to get this off with 2 people.
But you're gonna have problems loading and unloading, man.
I mean, it's not. I have another guy to help me, but
You and another guy are not gonna do it. You're gonna need like 3 or 4 people to get it up there, brother.
2 people, but once it's on flat ground, it only takes 1 person to maneuver.
Yeah.
So I'm the 3rd person they've hired to get this done. So we'll see what this is. I just think the lady was trying to cheap out a little bit, and I even gave a good deal because I love this place. I spent a lot of time here. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun because I've been wanting better light in there anyways.
And then when we load it in, we can pull the truck in the other way and use the angle.
I think we'll be fine with 2 people. We just have to be a little creative.
We're both dashing, strong young men.
Yeah.
We can get it done.
So let's start with the camo straps, and then we have to start thinking about how we're gonna do this, because what the guy says is it's extremely top heavy, and what happens is as soon as he said you're not gonna have enough strength, as soon as it starts rolling, it's just gonna go.
Well, like,
When you guys try to bring it down, nothing's gonna take off from it. You know what I mean?
well, let's milk it with the strap. We'll bring
Yeah.
out this big strap up here.
We'll use it as a winch, the strap.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's off.
That's off.
So I'm holding this and I'm holding this. How's it feel? Okay, keep going. Go ahead, you maneuver. I'm gonna keep this on. You're working too hard. I was supposed to do it on its own.
There it is.
Oh, shit.
What?
Trailer's popping up. I guess that's okay.
Yeah.
All right, keep going.
I gotta maneuver it a little bit.
Okay. So once it gets on the ramp, that's when they said to be careful.
You're another guy, not gonna do it. You're gonna need like 3 or 4 people to get it up there, brother.
Yeah. Alright, just about on the rip. Slow, steady. Okay, keep going, keep going. Are you pulling or is it going on its own?
I'm pulling.
You're pulling? Okay, that's a good sign. Keep going.
Back.
Alright, hold on, hold on.
When you guys try to bring it down, nothing's gonna take off of it. Yep.
Okay, go.
Alright, I'm gonna need you over here.
4 people.
4 people. You and another guy, not gonna do it. You're gonna need like 3 or 4 people to get it up there, brother.
We're 4 people.
Pretty much.
Look at that.
That was easy money, dude. And then we can just ratchet strap it all the way back up.
Jesus Christ, this scared. I was about to call like 2 more. I just didn't have 2 more to call.
I know like 4 people in total. You count as 2 of them now.
Jeez. Okay. We cannot break. These are brand new doors.
Oh, yeah.
Last ones got smashed in and they got kind of sort of robbed.
Not much to rob.
I know. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna do a back up and a little bit of momentum here. 1, 2, 3. 4 people. Okay. All right, ready? A little momentum. So here's the other 5 lights, and then the other 5 we have to retrieve.
Yeah.
They're gonna go the opposite way anyways. We're gonna copy exactly how those were installed.
Yeah.
Gymnastics class starts at 12. Swear. And apparently it won't turn on, or it will turn on, I think, but it won't let you go up unless it's level. So this has to be, I don't know what kind of level, in between the big eye or the little eye, but that's pretty level already. And then we have our feet. Yeah, you do your side. Just enough so it picks up, not a whole lot. All right, can you go a little crank on this side? I think we need your side too. That's looking pretty good. So it won't operate if it's not level, it's level.
On this side is your main power switch. Turn this on from base first. If you have another emergency kill right.
It all clicks, it all makes sense.
I
Gavin, let's work a little faster.
What?
Let's work a little faster. No way. Wait, it doesn't go higher than that? Oh, you just scared the shit out of me, dude. Holy crap.
We should probably turn the lights off and not stare into those for 2 days. It's not gonna be, or why don't you wear your sunglasses? So let's talk about this. All these are coming down and going into the dump.
So what we should do first is turn those lights off, disconnect the conduit that's running, cap it off, label it.
Okay,
There's 3 different runs.
yeah. So the main power source for this one is right here. Main power source for that one, where is it?
It's spliced off of that box.
Splice off of that box, okay.
Yeah.
And it's just going to those 2 switches. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing, except we're running 5 on one, 5 on the other.
Yeah.
And then it's just like hanging any old-fashioned lights. So
Right.
that's all it is. All right, so think for a second. I'm gonna get some cones and caution tape because she's literally gonna start her class in a little bit. Yeah, it's not like it's gonna be done by 12, but
No, it's okay. They will practice here.
Uh-huh.
So, but if you just first do this side,
okay.
because then we can move and then you
Yeah.
can more carpet her.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
So first the closest.
All right. We'll start with the closest.
So Denise got me this all new deodorant that's all natural, aluminum free, like super.
You smell like Christmas.
Dude, I smell like like already. It's so bad. Like she swore to me, and I put it on this morning for the first time. It's already bad. Hey, we're at 100% charge. Did it wobble this much when you were on it? Did it wobble this much when you were on it? Oh yes. Oh, that's what we're actually keeping these light bulbs.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to hand it down.
But that was supposed to happen at 7 a.m. So. It kind of ruined your mood. Like, well, for me, it made me, I was like, just like, I don't know. I just felt kind of down after. Like, that would be nice.
That's amazing. Come on, man. Seriously?
Yeah.
Is your hand okay? Oh, come on, get out of there.
I got like the bolt cutters.
Cool shot.
Cool shot.
Jesus Christ. Floor's okay. Oh. I also have this if it's... Yeah. How are you doing, sir? Hopefully third time's the charm.
So good?
Hopefully. I think so. It's gonna look a lot bigger in here. It's already, yeah, a lot more space. Okay, this is ready for me to go up. That's secured. The ballast is secured. This is ready to hang. All right, you can hand it over.
Don't drop it on a...
You know what I should do? Like tie this around my neck, just in case.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. 2 chains. Yeah, I got screws. Make sure I'm stable. Make sure I don't fall over. If I'm falling over, let me know.
I can't go any higher. That's the lowest. That's the highest I can go. Yeah. That's pretty high. It's the same height as those, or yeah, because those are hanging too. Those aren't mounted to wood. I think that, yeah, it's just as high or higher. That's down about a foot. Mine's only about 8 inches down.
No, I see. This one is not on the pole.
Right.
And this one are on the pole.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't get any lower than, I mean higher than that.
What about the other one? Are you gonna do on this or?
Yeah, I was gonna match them. Why, you want them higher?
No, we always want to high.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, that's pretty high. I want it high too, because when I play table tennis, I lob so high. Like, yeah, I'm doing this because, you know, for me too. So, you know. This is.
But they want it on this one, yeah?
Yeah, it's gonna go on that beam right there, going this way, underneath that water pipe.
Okay, I'll come back later. Are you gonna stay?
We're gonna stay here and work like dogs. Keep going.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because tomorrow your guy's table tennis, so tomorrow I'm not there.
Right.
He's upset, the guy always like, I'm like, why you didn't
Look how
come?
mad he is.
But then, like, you know, I told my husband, no, why I have to, you know?
All right, so that's ready to go. Now,
I'm gonna keep it 100% with you. I can't wire it.
you can't wire that?
Yeah. I'm too small. I'm gonna freaking.
That's why I hired you.
I stand around and look pretty, I guess, catch things.
How about you give it one shot and see if you can do it and if you can conquer your fears. If you can't, just say I need to come down and then it is what it is.
Off you go.
Keep going. Don't tug too hard. You know what happens when you tug too hard.
Yeah. So now what I'll do is I'll go back up there in the middle. We're gonna put this in the middle between the two, and I'm gonna clamp the conduit to the wood, and then we can move forward. So are you cool with that routine?
Yeah.
You handle that like a champ, dude. I don't know what you're worried about.
I conquer fear every day.
Thank you. Oh, you bastard. This strap is so far. Yeah. Look at that. So we're gonna do downward pressure lower. Huh? I don't know.
Okay. So that's a question? I don't know.
Slope up I'll go lower. Nice.
What do you do? Yeah, you have like a little like thing. Or
Yeah. I got a little channel.
What's it called?
Degree from YouTube.
What is it?
Degree from YouTube.
We're gonna watch it.
Yeah.
What do you post? Just like all kinds of stuff.
DIY stuff.
Oh really?
Yeah, pretty much.
Brother,
Thank you very much. I
your favorite.
appreciate you.
We appreciate you. Thank you for the business. Make sure you YouTube, right? Hey,
Yeah.
Cowgirl, the guys are coming out, you know.
Can you be in the video?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll give you the video if you want.
Dude, your homie's in there watching my biggest video right now.
We're wondering where it was.
Yeah.
We'll look at it.
Yeah, he's looking at it right now. He's got my biggest video up.
Yeah.
But
so if you don't mind, you know, say shout out for us, and we appreciate it, you know.
Yeah,
we'll
for
get
sure.
more likes, you know.
I'll shout out for you guys.
That way, give him your website, and then we can all look at it. That we can give you some props.
I'll throw you guys a shout
You
out.
help us, we help each other out.
All right, appreciate you, man.
Have a good day.
Thank you.